Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I will explain what is UI development or front end development. Okay, before going that I want to give small clarity on this. So some people will call it UI development. Some people will call it user interface development. Some people will call it front end development. Some people will call it client side programming. So people will call it with different names, but all meaning is same. UI development, user interface, front end development, client side programming, all these four names will refer same thing. Okay, so now we'll see what are the required skills for UI development. Skills required: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, these three are the essential skills for learning UI development or front end development. Okay, HTML will give useful for the creating web page or website. Okay, CSS is useful for the styling purpose. Let's say if you want to change some color or background color or letter spacing, you can use CSS. JavaScript is useful for the dynamic content. Let's say you have one button, login. If you click on the login button, you need to log into the account. Okay, at that time you need to use the JavaScript. Let's go to one by one. Okay, so there is one popular website called W3 Schools. Go to browser and type w3schools.com. That will provide all the UI development skills. So here you will see HTML tutorial, CSS tutorial, JavaScript tutorial. Okay, so all the basic examples it will provide to the beginners. So let's take one of the example. So here if you see, try it yourself is there. So if you click this button, it will open the online editor. So you can see the left side code corresponding right side output. So here it's written this is a heading. Okay, so right side also same thing is coming. So if you write this code, this output is coming, these two lines. So let's say I'm going to change this is heading to welcome to my tutorial. Now let's change the content. So whatever we want, we can, based on our requirement, we will write here content. Corresponding output will come right side. Okay, so now where CSS will, this is HTML part. There are so many currently here H1 element we are seeing. There are so many other elements are there for different purposes. So I will tell briefly in the while learning HTML in the next section. Okay, next session. So now where CSS will come, I will tell. Now I want to change this color, this welcome to my tutorial color. Okay, now I will write like this: style equal to color red. This will change default color to the red. Okay, like this. If you want to give green, it will show the green color. So CSS is full for the styling purpose. You can change the color, background color. Let's say I want to change the background color for this one. Okay, background color red. You change it to red background color. So here two things are applying, one is color as well as background color. So multiple properties we can apply using CSS. So like this, so many other properties also there. So today I just showing how CSS will work. So now come to JavaScript part. So here I told, right, HTML, CSS is complete. JavaScript. So what is the use of JavaScript? Let's say I have one button. Change. Okay. Now my requirement is, once I click this change button, I want to change the content of this this paragraph. This is a paragraph to some another content. Okay, for that how to write? So here I will write one click event. On click of click equal to some function, change content. Okay. For identifying this paragraph element, I will add one ID, something. ID can be anything. Okay, I will tell briefly in that while learning JavaScript. Okay. Now, now this function we need to write in the script tag. We will write like function name. Okay. Open bracket, close bracket. Inside this we will write the logic whatever we want. Now I want to change the content of this element. So first we need to get this element using this ID, like document dot get element by ID of whatever ID we given here, para we given, no? Para. So we got the element. Now we using inner HTML we will change the content. Which content we will give here? Like hello paragraph, hello para. Okay. Now when I click this button, it will change the content to hello para. Okay, now I am clicking this one, it's changed hello para. So you can see the difference. Previously it was displaying this one, this is a paragraph. Now it is displaying hello para. So that means we are interacting with the web page using JavaScript. So JavaScript will make web page to the dynamic in the sense we are changing dynamically, like in the click event. For example, I told click event. There are so many different things are there in the JavaScript. I will explain briefly while explaining JavaScript. Okay. So these are the three different essential things we need to learn for UI development. HTML is useful for the displaying purpose, display some content. CSS is useful for the styling purpose. HTML is for displaying content. Display content. Okay. JavaScript is useful for the dynamic changes. For example, in just now I showed, I added one button. On click of button I changed a paragraph content. So if I want to add some alert, I will show in some alert in that click event. So let's say I want to show alert also in the same click event, alert of hello. Okay, now if you see I'm clicking the button, you can observe hello is coming. Means for each one different purpose is there. For showing alert we will use this alert. For changing some content using inner HTML we will change. So using JavaScript we will do so many things. We can do so many things. Okay. So these are the three different essentials required for web development. So if you have any doubts or comments, you can put in the comment section. So I will give clarity in next section. Okay. Thank you so much.